One. First chapter, relations and functions. Okay, 8 marks. And inverse of trigonometry also. These two chapters, 8 marks. Third one, matrix. Fourth one, determinants. Ten marks. Yeah. Next one, calculus, continuity and differentiation. Sixth one, applications of derivatives. (17 marks). LPP, linear programming. 5 marks. Total 40 marks. Internal assignment. Okay, 10 marks. Okay, so this is the for your portion, Nana. Term 1, first chapter, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Part 1 textbook full. Part 2 along with LPP. Okay, so 8 plus 10, 18, 28, 35 plus 5, 40 marks. Internal assessment means activity. You are writing no record. 10 marks. Total 50 marks. Okay, so this is the already relations and function over, inverse of trigonometry over, offline only over, not online. These 4 chapters, A group and B group, both determinants, continuity and differentiation, applications of derivatives, will teach later LPP. Only one chapter is there for reverse. Okay, so again here one more offer is given. Some chapters, some exercise are deleted, that I will say Monday. Okay, which chapter, which exercise is deleted? Some chapters, some only problems are deleted. Okay, I will write and I will say Monday. Tomorrow I will prepare. Okay, I will say.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt about Nana?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Here almost two exercise deleted, amma. Here almost one exercise deleted. Here almost last elementary operation difficult, that also deleted. Determinants, properties of determinants, second exercise, that also deleted. Continuity and differentiation, only mean value theorem, 5.8. This also 3 exercise deleted. I will say Monday I will give clarity about the chapters, what is the exercise deleted. Some chapters only problems are deleted. That I will say. Everything Monday I will give clarity. Any doubt about here, Amma?
No, sir.
Okay, Nana. Already I'm sending, sending John sir PDF format. You can check term 1 and term 2. Okay. Regarding any doubts, you can call me. These and all MCQs, Nana. Term 1, MCQs only. Multiple choice questions. 90 problems they will give. Okay. 10. After term 1, term 2, they will find out average divided by 2. Maximum on a difficult concept deleted almost. Term 1, no problem. Term 2 only, they will not deleted. Term 1, difficult, what is the difficult concepts are there that deleted. Okay. I will rub the board, Nana.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
Sir, question paper prepared by school or coming outside, sir?
A maximum coming outside only, Amma.
Okay, sir.
Invigilation, everything outside only.
Sir, syllabus is up.
Sorry, Nana.
Syllabus is official only, sir.
This is official only, Amma. That's why finalize today itself. So that's why I'm writing. Okay. So any changes are is there? Maximum this month, I will change. I will say. Okay. But actually, my opinion, term 2 MCQs, term 1, this is given means better, but is changed. Okay, anyway, see. So next concept, Amma. Okay, integration using trigonometric identities. Integration using trigonometric identities. See, Amma, here in this trigonometric identities means already told 11th standard only formulas sin 2a cos 2a sin square cos square tan square. Now itself will started. You know integral of sin x. Okay, but you don't know integral of sin square x. So that how to we can convert to sin to cos or cos to sin. Okay, you have to find out it. So that is you can use by integrating. So now here already you have formulas numma cos 2a sin 2a, huh? Cos 2a is equal
Sir.
to cos square a minus sin square a, 2 cos square a minus 1, 2 sin square a minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square a, sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. These formulas and all will come none. Okay, see, why sir? For example, one problem you can say. Example 7 you can see none. Integral of cos square x into dx. Integral of cos square x into dx. Integral of cos square x means any formula is there, Nana? No formula. Yes. So that's why cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus 1. 2 cos square a minus 1. See, cos 2x minus 1 you can write here means plus 1, 2 cos square x. Cos square x means what you can write, sir? Cos 2x plus 1 by this see cos square x, integral of cos square x not there. Yes. So that's why you have to convert to and you can substitute the here. What you can write, sir? Cos 2x plus 1 by 2 into dx. Here 1 by 2 is the constant value, you can write outside. Means cos 2x dx plus 1 also is there, 1 by 2 into dx. Here what you can write, sir? Integral of cos x means sin x, 2x means by 2 plus 1 by 2, integral of dx means plus. That's why I'm saying this is the formula. Once you can copy none.
completed, sir.
Okay. What about remaining, Amma?
So 1 minute, sir.
Completed,
Okay.
sir.
Completed, sir.
Seen on exercise sums? Integral of sine square 2x plus 5 into dx. Here two methods are there, Nana. One is first you can take 2x plus 5 is equal to t. Otherwise, direct itself also you can write cos 2a is equal 1 minus 2 sine square a. Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus 1. Cos 2a is equal 1 minus 2 sine square a. Yes? Correct only the formula? Okay. So now here 2 sine square a 1 minus cos 2x. So sine square x is equal 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Integral of sine square means 1 minus cos 2 into x means what you can write, sir? 2x plus 5 by 2 into dx. 1 by 2 constant value. You can write 1 into dx minus 1 by 2 integral of cos 4x plus 5 into dx. Here what you can write, sir? 1 by 2 x integral of cos x sin 4x plus 4 plus. Okay.
Sir,
Tell me now.
the cos 4x plus 10 only will come, sir. Multiple
Cos?
sir. 4x plus
Sorry?
10.
Yes, ma. Yes, Nana. 2 into 5, 10.
Completed, sir.
Okay, Nana. What about remaining, Amma?
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Integral of sin 3x cos 4x into dx. Yes, in an degree, year and year, both difference are there. This is sin, this is cos. So that's why numerator and denominator you can multiply with 2. Twice r means I will say sin 3x cos 4x into dx. One formula is there. What is the formula, sir? Sin x cos y. 2 sin x cos y. What is the formula, Lana? 2 sin x cos y means sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. So 2 sin x cos y is equal sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y, means sin of x plus y means 3x plus 4x plus sin of x minus y 3x minus 4x into dx. Close the bracket. Now here what you can write, Amma? half into sin 7x into dx plus sin of minus x into dx 1 by 2. I am writing separate. 1 by 2 integral of sin x minus cos 7x by 7 plus 1 by 2 integral of sin x minus one more step you can write now. Sin x into dx. Why sir? Sin of minus x means minus sin x only, no? Yes. So here writing sin of minus theta minus sin theta. Okay, this formula minus cos 7x by 14. Sin x means cos x by 2 plus 6. Your main trigonometry identity is important, amma. Formulas.
Sir, computer.
Okay, amma. You can do third one, amma. Same. Any two we can take. Sin cube 2x plus 1 into dx. What is the sin 3a formula? Ra? Hmm? Three sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Here what you want? Sin cube a means this value you can write here. 4 sin cube a is equal 3 sin x minus sin 3x sin cube x is equal 3 sin x sin 3x by 4. This formula I can apply here. So integral of sin 3a 3 sin 2x plus 1 sin 2x plus 1 by 4 into dx. 3 by 4 constant value sin 2x plus 1 into dx minus 1 by 4 sin 6x plus 3 into dx. 3 by 4 integral of sin x minus cos 2x plus 1 by 2 integral of sin x cos 6x plus 3 by 6 plus 6. One more step we can write minus 3 cos 2x plus 1 by 8 plus cos 6x plus 3 by 24 plus c.
కాయలు ఎట్లేకి కాయలు సొంత కాయలు వాళ్ళే కానీ కారం కావాలి చెప్పి కారం తెచ్చుకొని వస్తారు మారా ఆ కాయలు తినచ్చు కాయలు కారం తెస్తా ఒక అరకిలో ఇది కేజీ కారం ఎడకారం పెట్టుకోవచ్చు సపట్ కారం మిరకాయ మాడికాయలు తెచ్చుకుంది చెప్తున్నా చాలా మంది అసలు 8 మంది అయినా 8 మంది దాకా అయినా అనుకున్నాను ఆ కారం అది కారం సపట్ కారం వేయకుండా సపట్ మిరకాయలేదా మరి ఎంత కారం పెట్టుకుంటే మన దేకలతో నకలతో ఊళ్ళకి వస్తే పనులు కాయ మాడికాయ రాలే కారం అయితే పట్టుకొని వస్తారు కారం మాడికాయలు అయితే చేదు మూడు వందలు అవుతుంది ఇరక కేజీ పోయి కేజీ పట్టియా అందరూ చెప్తాను అంత ఇయ్యరట కేజీ ఏమట్లే 300 కేజీ మిరకాయలు తీసుకొని ఉప్పు పోయి పట్టించి ఇస్తే
Okay. This one once you can try, Nana. So anyone you can convert to cos. For example, sin or cos, that is your wish. Sin x into sin square x cos cube x into dx. If you cos, you can convert. Sorry, cos you can convert means cos into cos square x into sin cube x also you can write. Sin square x I will write cos square x is equal to 1 only, no? So sin x, sin square x I will write 1 minus cos square x into cos cube x into dx. Inside of the bracket I will multiply sin x 1 into cos cube x minus cos power 5x into dx. Cos x is equal to t. D by dx of cos x minus sin x into dx is equal to dt minus common sin x into dx means dt, cos cube x means t cube minus t power 5. You can apply your formula t power 5 t cube into dt. Inside of the bracket you can multiply. This is what you can write, sir. T power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 t power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. T means cos x you can write. Sixth one you can do, Amma. Seventh also. Eighth one I will explain.
Completed, sir.
Okay. What about remaining graph?
Completed. Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed.
Okay. One minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx. So 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. So integral of 1 minus cos x is equal sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x into dx. 2 will get cancelled. Tan square x by 2 into dx. Integral of tan square x. What is the integral of tan square x now? No tan square x. So you have to convert to secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Tan square x is equal to what you can write, sir? Secant square x by 2 minus 1 into dx. Integral of secant square tan x by 2 minus x plus x.
పళ్ళు పచ్చడి పెడతారు ఎంత పూరి పచ్చడి తయారైంది
అయ్యే అంటే పెట్టుకోవాలి. కంప్లీట్
Okay, ma. Now only 3 minutes is there, Nana. Remaining Monday will explain.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma.